What I want you to do, look at number 1. Before we start, let's talk about parameters real quick. Remember what parameters were? It was one of your words. If not what it is, what 2 things or items are on your RECT block code that are parameters. Brantley. Well, you know which 2 are in the toolbox on that. All right, here. Which one of these 2 are the parameters besides the coordinate points? What's the WH stand for? Yeah. Is that? Width and height. Yes. So Eli and Barrett, I can hear what you probably are talking about on that camera. So let's pay attention to what we got going on up here, okay? All right. So the parameters are width and height. All right. So you have the X and Y coordinate, then width and height. Okay. So when you're doing your points that you're plotting, we said that a rectangle or square block, where is that plot point on RECT? Where's that plot point? You're plotting the square. Go. Top left. So when there's a square, you're going to do the point, and then you're going to draw out a square. All right. Ellipse is a what? Another name for what? Circle. And where is this plot point?
In the middle. Top left hand corner.
That was a square.
Middle.
Okay. So, when we are plotting, guys, all right, we want to plot these 2 rectangles. One's blue, one's red. You got a question. All right. What we're wanting to do is use this new block code called no stroke. What that basically just means is the border around the square or rectangle or circle. Okay? So go ahead and just hit run the way it is right now. You should have a blue and red. Jace, that's the stay on code. All right, so you hit run. Guys who are not on the same page, get back to what we're working on, please. We're going each one by one. So go to 1. I'm doing something a little different than what it's asking. Okay? I'm not doing just what it says. Jacob, please turn around. Okay. So you see the 2 rectangles. They do not have borders. So what I want you to do is you're going to grab number 1, that first line, no stroke, throw it away. And then hit reset. And then hit run. Did we do that? Did everybody do that?
Yes.
Can you see the border now on the 2 rectangles?
Yes, sir.
So hit run so that you see the black outline. Sir.
When it started.
All right. So no stroke is just the border around your shape. Okay, so not hard at all. All right, so we'll go to 2. Yep. All right. So also, when we talked about ellipses, go ahead and hit run. Now we're going to start talking about those parameters. All right? Number 2, guys. We're on number 2. Let's just stay with the group, please. All right. What you could do on this one is the show grid.
Do it half.
Well, you can follow along. How about that? Show grid. All right. Let's hit show grid.
Yeah.
What you're wanting to do now is have an ellipse that is a certain width and a certain height. We've done that with squares. I don't think we've really done it with circles yet. All right? So, one of the first things you're going to need to do when you're wanting a color for a shape is to what? What do you need to do if you want the color?
Put the color.
You put the color in first. So you're going to need a fill code first. All right? So first thing you wanna do, if we're just kind of experimenting, you want to pull fill over. Okay? Let's start with just fill, because everything after fill is gonna be that color. Alright? So we got green,
Still yellow.
so now we're gonna need
Yellow.
another one. And we're talking about an ellipse. Alright? Jason, get your head up, please. Alright, so you wanna pull over the fill and an ellipse. The fill and an ellipse. Pull over. Got it? Alright, you go ahead and hit reset and run. Let's see what we got. Oh, just a big yellow circle. Why is that?
Because it's 400, 400, and it's at the front. You need to switch the bottom one to the top.
We've done the 3? And 2, and 3 and 4.
Make the second ellipse first.
So you wanna pull that up there?
And
That on there?
yes.
Let's see what happens.
I mean, it's still kind of rough.
Oh! We got the right order. Eli, don't
Now change the
Make it
yellow.
200, 300.
Change the
Which one?
Change yellow.
Orange, make it orange.
we? That one 200?
Make it 250.
Make it 300, make it 200.
If you want it to be exact,
Now
it's 200,
reset
300.
run.
200, 300.
250 gonna be a
Let's see what happens. We'll put 200, which is
Make
the
it 300, 400.
width, which is side to side.
It's not
Alright.
200. I just made the green circle. So what's that gap is about?
It's 250. Oh, it's 225.
Okay.
400.
Yeah, hey, hold it up.
Change Kirkley.
Aiden and Cooper, yes.
I'm helping.
We're just gonna put in 200,
Make the
we're gonna see
circle
what happens.
orange. Make the circle orange.
Ooh.
Yeah, I made mine small. I made mine very small.
Alright, we'll try 250.
No, make it 300, 400.
See what happens with 250.
Now make it orange.
Ooh.
You change.
Well, we're trying to match exactly this up here.
Change.
Alright guys, volume.
Change 300 to 400.
I didn't know.
Oh, looking at.
Guys. Alright, hit reset, run. This closer, don't you?
Yeah, now you
A
change.
little bit closer. And then we want yellow, maybe orange. Alright, and we do that right here.
I like orange.
Well, orange is not there, so what do we need to do?
Type
That's correct.
I like the fact
Do
that
250.
And then remember, guys, hey, pay attention. It has to be in the quotes. You have to leave the quotes. Remember that.
Kirkley.
Let's make it orange. Yes.
Make it 350, not 400.
It worked. I take either. I take either one. I take either one. I know we're close.
Mine's right.
Alright.
Mine's right.
No,
That's good.
it is too many.
Alright, let's go to 3.